Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this Moonphase birthday wallpaper that has been trending on TikTok. So usually this trend is a combination of your Moonphase with your significant other birthday Moonphase. So go on Safari and type moonphases.co.uk and you will be sent to the website where you're going to get the Moonphase. Now, just scroll to the very bottom of the page until you find this calendar. Press on the month as well as the year and pick your birthday. As an example, I'm going to type in my birthday, which is September 8th, 2000. Then scroll back up where you will find your birthday Moonphase and just press on the image so that it magnifies, and then press and hold on the bigger image and press add to photos. Next, you're going to do the same thing with your significant other's birthday, so just insert their birthday month, birthday year, and birth date. And go back up, press on the picture, press and hold, and press add to photos. To create the wallpaper, just go to Picsart and type in for a black background. Then after you've picked your black background, go to add photos and add your images. Next, what I'm going to be doing is just resizing the images so that it fits better and looks better as well. Next, just press on each image and then go to adjust. Just increase the brightness and also decrease the contrast so that the dark part of the moon will still be seen and you can see the circle better. Now I'm just doing that for my other moon and you're done. Just go ahead and save the wallpaper onto your camera roll and then open your camera roll, press the share button and scroll until you find set as wallpaper. Now just adjust image, then press set both. Now you have created the couple's birthday Moonphase background. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave any of your questions in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!